Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable and use Google Chat in Gmail. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Gmail and I'm going to show you how you can enable and use the Google Chat in Gmail. First thing first, we can go to this Google Apps right here. Click on the Google Apps and you're going to open the Google Chat. Okay, and here you'll be able to use Google Chat to send message to your friends, and you just need to type in the account you want to chat. You can type in the Gmail address right here, and for example I'm just going to chat this account. Okay, and then if you want to send a message, we just need to send it right here guys. For example, I'm just going to send hello, how are you? Okay, then if we want to send, we can click on the send icon. All right, and now the message has been sent to this account. Okay guys, and that's all the way to enable and use Google Chat in Gmail. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.